What up guys, it's been a while. Let's talk about Stadia. Is it worth buying Stadia in 2021? Today we will find out. I have the Stadia Premier Edition. Here you see the box. It's a really nice box. Inside the box there is one Stadia controller. Mine is white with orange accents and a Google Chromecast Ultra. The controller is pretty much the same as a PlayStation controller, but it has some nice features like Google Assistant and a Stadia button. There's also a button to clip gameplay. The buttons have a nice feeling, but I think it's not as good as a PlayStation controller or an Xbox controller. I really like the haptic feedback. On the back there are 4 buttons and a USB-C port for charging. In the front there is a headphone jack for plugging in your headphones. The controller has a really nice overall design and a nice feeling to it. Also in the box is a Chromecast Ultra. It's a really nice Chromecast that can display 4K video. Here you see some shots of the Chromecast Ultra. The power brick has a built-in Ethernet port, so you can game on Ethernet. Also in the box for 2021 standards is a charging brick. Now let's open the app on an iPad mini. Well, it's not really an app. It runs on Safari, but you can make a shortcut to it. We will start with Cyberpunk. There is a play button, you push it. Then you start the controller. And it's gonna ask you to pair the controller. It says 4 keys, you press them, and if all goes well, then it will connect with your account. You have to do this every game session. Now the controller is paired. Now I'm controlling the app with the controller. The controller is paired with the Wi-Fi, so it can send the signals straight to the servers. Let's talk about if it's worth buying Google Stadia in 2021. I think it is. It does not cost any money a month if you don't want to stream in 4K. 1080p is fully free. You only have to buy the games online. And yeah, many people are against it, but I don't know. It's a big company, so they will compensate you if it goes away, I think. I can't promise that. I think the input lag is really good. There is almost none. Maybe it's not good enough for online shooters, but for games like Cyberpunk and other roleplay games, it's really nice. I think it's a really good deal for people that haven't much money. You can play it literally on every screen that has an HDMI port with the Chromecast Ultra. It costs nothing a month, you only have to buy the game. And it will run always. They upgrade their gear, so you don't have to. You can also play Stadia games on any computer. It will run via the internet and it uses your mouse and keyboard to game. You can also play with the controller. So, back to the question. Is Stadia worth buying in 2021? I think it is. It's really nice, but it's not as good as a computer. So if you want to play online shooters, I think you still have to buy a computer. But if you want to play games like Cyberpunk and the other roleplay games, it's perfectly fine and it doesn't cost you anything a month. Maybe that will change in the future, but I don't know. I will thank you all so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe, or leave a comment in the comment section down below. This was the video. I hope you liked it. Bye.